What's up guys, Senjo here. Welcome to my channel Texo Academy. So good to see you once again. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by to check out our videos again and again. And if you are new to this channel, I am glad to meet you. I officially welcome you to this channel and I would love to see more of you. And in this channel we make videos on entrepreneurship, how to make money online, and cryptocurrency. Alright, so you'll be seeing more of that, and product reviews. We also do that in a section of this YouTube channel. Alright, so we go out there, we test our stuff, we come back here and give you the update on what to do, what works and what doesn't. Okay, so if that's what interests you, please smash that like button, that subscribe button, and turn on that bell icon so as to be notified whenever I post another amazing video just like this one. Alright, so having said that, please do all to give us a thumbs up if you love the contents that we share in this channel. Okay, at times I'll be getting 15,000 views and all that, and barely less than 100 likes. It doesn't really make sense, guys. Please, it's a way to encourage me to do what I do. Okay, so if you love the content, please do it to smash that like button. And even if you don't love the content, please still do it to smash that like button. Okay, all right, so having said that, let's dive into where we are for today. Okay, so let me pull up this. Alright, so today we are going to be talking about how to protect your crypto from phishers or scammers. Alright, this topic is very important and you need to pay good attention. Okay, you need to watch this video down to the end, because irrespective of your level of knowledge and expertise in cryptocurrency, you can still be scammed. Alright, so take note of that and protect your fund, your hard-earned money. Alright, to avoid people on this left hand side of the laptop. You see the guy on hoodie. Okay, he's stealing your personal data, and your personal data here means your funds, your cryptos. Alright, so do how to protect your cryptos. You need to be pre-informed so you don't fall victim of this. I've heard a lot of stuffs in my community, so I'm making this video just so you'll be aware of what's out there. All right, so the very first one on my list, I'm going to be giving you 5 steps that you need to incorporate to secure your crypto. And the very first one here is never ever share your recovery phrase or your private key with anyone. All right, this is very important. Okay, very important. Don't share your passphrase. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a website just like the screen here. It's a website telling you, asking you how long have you been a member of Trust Wallet, and you think it's Trust Wallet that is contacting you or that is using this medium to get a little bit of information about you and all that, to see how to help you. Okay, and you go ahead to ask to fill in the data. Okay, here they also say fill in your Trust Wallet recovery phrase. Never ever do that. Okay, this goes for people who do airdrops and bounties. Don't you ever share your recovery phrase with anyone to claim whatsoever gift whatsoever. Don't you share it. All right, so keep it safe. It's for you and you alone. All right, so remember, with Trust Wallet, your recovery phrase can be in any form. Okay, it can be in QR code, it can be in a private key, it can be in a what is it called, recovery phrase, your 12 phrase. Okay, it can be in any form. Okay, but make sure you do not share that. All right, the only thing you are permitted to share is your wallet address. Okay, it's your wallet address, that's what goes public. But your private key, your 12 phrase, it's personal. Okay, so keep it to yourself. All right, so don't forget, sharing your QR code is the same as giving perpetrators your recovery phrase. They are all the same, so you have to keep it safe. So furthermore, never share any sensitive information such as your email address, passwords with anyone. All right, your email address, very important. Do not share it. Your email address, passwords, do not share it with anyone. All right, because Anyone who has access to your email can actually have access to your crypto exchanges, right? And from there they can do recover your password and gain access to your exchange and pull out your funds. It's possible. Okay, so do it to secure your email passwords. Alright, the next one on the list here on how to protect your crypto from phishers or scammers is admins or customer support will never contact you first. This is very, very important. Don't think they are trying to give you attention, therefore they are chatting you first. No, that's fishy. Okay, so you have to examine every bit of it. They won't contact you first. Okay, so whenever you are seeking help online from customer support or admin, just be aware of perpetrators. There are people who hide under these platforms to be able to steal your funds. So remember to follow legitimate instructions displayed on the official websites or the community page, either on their Twitter page or on their Facebook page or on their Telegram group channels and all that. Okay, so make sure you are in the right place seeking for any help. Alright, so moreover, when having an issue, an admin will never start a conversation with you over Facebook, Twitter, Telegram or whatsoever, or to ask you for your recovery phrase. They will never do that. Okay, so whenever you see that, you should be at alarm to know that it is scam. Right, so most reputable exchanges and wallets have dedicated customer support emails ending with their official domain support. Okay, so official domains such as support@trustwallet.com, support@binance.com, support@bybit.com, that kind of emails. All right, so it's hard to create, but don't forget, someone can as well create emails such as support@trustwallet.com. Instead of com, they are now using cam. Right, so you it's an oversight. You can easily overlook those things. You may not really pinpoint that this is a scam email address. All right, so do not, even if you fall victim of contacting the scammers yourself, do not share your recovery phrase. Okay, it boils down to that. So take a look at this. Okay, so here is a scammer trying to get information from you, which is your passphrase. Okay, he gives you a website, then in the step 2 he tells you to select your wallet, to connect your wallet, and from there, boom, your money is gone. All right, so this newbie is here asking, is it safe to share recovery phrase? And the scammer is like, your assets are 100% safe with us. This is just linking your account for the upgrade. All right, this is how they wash your head. Okay, so do not fall victim of that. So if you love the values we share right in this channel, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please do well to give us that thumbs up. All right, in my next 2 tips on how to secure your trust wallet and your exchanges, you are really going to love what you're going to see right there. Okay, because this is something we see on daily basis. Okay, so make sure you watch this video down to the end, pay good attention. All right, so let's move down to the next. Do not click suspicious links. Very, very important. All right, do not click any links, because these URLs can be they can embed suspicious malwares. All right, they can embed all manner of stuff just to be able to steal your info. All right, so you can use checkfish.com. You can use their services to check if a URL is safe to open. All right, the malware can be used to infect and access your wallet, which will result in unauthorized transfer of your funds to an anonymous wallet. So at that point, your funds will be what? Permanently lost. Okay, permanently lost. So do not fall victim of, if you lose your fund, you go ahead to start looking for who is going to help you to recover your phone. That's another level of scam that I'm going to talk about in my next video. Okay, so watch out for that as well, because I'm going to be updating this video as well. The next one on my list here is beware of third-party sites. This is very, very important. That's why I said you should watch this video down to the end, because if you are trading on Trust Wallet dApps, you should do it to check out my next video. You can check out the video on PancakeSwap training right in this channel. You can see how to do transactions on Pancake. And if you are transacting on Pancake, there is what we call dApps. Okay, now this uses third-party sites, okay, and they are very, very risky, okay, and makes you vulnerable to phishing, makes you vulnerable to scammers. So you need to be sure that you are in the right platform. So do not attempt connecting with them before informing yourself of the right instructions. The website can be filled with harmful malwares and links and all that, just to steal your funds. Okay, so this is often seen, like I said, when transacting with dApps on Trust Wallet. So you need to be sure you are transacting with the right platform. Okay, so the very next one here is never trust alarming messages. This is very, very important, and this is what we see on daily basis. All right, now reputable cryptocurrency companies will never urge you to submit sensitive personal information. They will never do that, okay, or to send your funds to them or an outside party or stuffs like that. They won't ask you to do that. Okay, so therefore, when such messages appear in your inbox, such as your email, not even in your spam folder, okay, so scammers can go any length to make sure these messages come into your inbox, because they know you trust messages that come into your inbox more than the ones that come into your spam folders. Okay, so when they do that, you will feel it's Trust Wallet contacting me. Okay, so you have to respond to it, unless your fund will be at risk. Okay, so as such, make sure you do not respond to such messages. Okay, so below is a common Phishers method, the scammers method. They try to copy Trust Wallet, but with a different domain. Just like I told you, they can do trustwallet.com, they can do trustwallet.io, right? And you may not really pay attention to pinpoint that, to see that. Okay, so they push users to click their link to get a free Ethereum gift. They can promise you a whole lot of stuff, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, and all manner of stuff, just to get access to your recovery phrase and thereby steal your fund. Take a look at this, guys. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's a platform, and they'll tell you below here, you will see something like claim your bonus. All right, and as you can see here, it's all branded Trust Wallet. You may not really know what kind of Trust Wallet is this. You may not really know the difference. Okay, they can even do something like trustwallet.com.uk. It's a domain. Okay, and once you see trustwallet.com, you feel you are in the right place. Okay, so they can come in the form of giving you giveaways, bonuses, and all manner of stuff, promising you cryptos and all that. Please do not share your passphrase. Do not. So these are the various ways that scammers can actually get into your portfolio and steal from you. So to conclude, it is each user's responsibility to be safe in the cryptocurrency space world. Okay, so it is your responsibility to stay safe. I'm not gonna keep your portfolio for you safe. You have that sole responsibility to keep your portfolio safe. So you've got everything you need to keep it safe. Your passphrase, your private keys, all got to be safe with you. All right, do not share it with anybody. Okay, they will always be out there, and they will always get smarter each day. Okay, and they will always develop new ways to steal your money. All right, so you need to be acquainted with all their advices, so you can be able to know how to protect your cryptos. Okay, don't forget, you are busy making money and they are busy looking for how to steal from you. That's their daily job, so you need to know their various tactics. Okay, so it is important for each of us to be vigilant and stay safe. Okay, let's not allow the fraudsters to win. All right, so you need to stay updated with all of their tools, all of their tactics. You need to stay updated. So to do that, please smash that subscribe button, because I'm going to be updating you on different methods that scammers can actually steal from you right in this channel. Okay, so do well to subscribe and smash that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post amazing video, and so that you don't fall victim of what we are talking about today. All right, so hey, what's next? Love the content, please smash that like button, and once you do that, smash that subscribe button. We would love to stay connected. And do well to follow us on all social media platforms: on Twitter at Texo Academy, on Facebook at Texo Academy, on Instagram at Texo Academy, on LinkedIn at Texo Academy. All right, and very soon we're going to be moving over to Telegram. All right, that's something you will look forward to. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video down to the end, and I'm going to see you right in my next video coming up in a few days time. So take care.